Hey, where is my bestie Susan? I'm waiting for her! Oh, here she is!
Sammy, I'm here! What's up?
Sue, you know I have to tell you something. Actually, Susan, we're all living in a post-apocalyptic world!
What?
Yeah, and right now we're in the Candy Kingdom! Hey, I don't get it. I said the Candy Kingdom! That's better. And this place is a stage for Princess Bubblegum!
Sam, wait! What about Roger? Is he even real?
You and Roger are the last people on Earth, and I am... It's Master! Boo!
Sammy, did I act right? Huh?
Susan, wait a second. You weren't afraid at all, were you?
Did you think that I wouldn't recognize it? You're so naive. Okay, let's go.
Sue, wait! What are you talking about? Hi! Can you smell it? Adventures are waiting! We're headed right there! Did I miss it?
Oh, here you are,
Sue,
right on
where are
time.
you?
I'll take
Give me
this.
back.
Let's start making a mushroom field on the mini version of the Land of Ooh. It's not that easy.
Susan, can I help? I'm coming in a second. Okay, Susie, give it to me.
Here you are.
Right, let's go! This wire can't resist my superpower! Wow, holy cannoli!
Aha, so it turned out quite well. I'm making the lowest part. Guys, you can ask an adult to help you.
Altogether, you'd be even stronger than me! Guys, you're also gonna need tape. And a frame, too! Sue, put it here! Ooh, thanks! I'll hold it! It's done, check it out! Well, Susan, do you like it, huh?
So cool. Shall we make another one? Let's use magic. Voila!
Susan, are these mushrooms? Ah! Yeah! Phew, I just wanted to say they're quite flat.
Actually, are there any foil-made mushrooms in the Land of Ooh?
Even if there aren't, so what? We certainly have them. Here!
Gotcha! Thanks!
Well, how's it going? I've brought some building supplies for you, and I still have more if you need.
Ooh, it's so good! Sam, are you gonna share the recipe?
Susie, it's a piece of cake. Just put together a slime and a gum, and that's it. And you'll get something like... Where is it? Aha, here you are.
Ew, this bubble gum isn't like the one from Adventure Time. It should have been pink, Sammy. It's not fair.
Susan, hold on. Your knight in shining armor will save you. Beware, you'll learn the real slime power. Well, seems like it. And now I need a break. Slimes have just an 8-second workday.
Ooh, thanks, my hero. I can deal with mushroom hats then.
So wait, I forgot to attach something.
Thanks.
By the way, you can pay me with sweets.
It fits perfectly.
Sue, how long does it take? I'm waiting for the adventures.
If you don't want to help, there is only one way left.
What kind of the way, Susan? Okay, I get it.
You're so easy to persuade.
For real, monsters do scare me. What can we do here? Make a line here. This one, right there.
Sammy, you're doing it all wrong.
Guys, drawing on mushrooms isn't easy.
That means I'll finish it up by myself.
Sue, what's happening? I'm possessed with a vampire spirit! Yeah, being a vampire musician is harder than being a slime crafter.
Here you are. Then we have a job opening, and I have a suitable candidate.
No way! Is it Marceline, the queen of the vampires?
That's right. You'd have a mind-blowing stage together.
Marceline, you know, I always admired your bravery and talent. You are the best of the Land of Ooh.
Sorry, I'm gonna have to interrupt your clay date.
Hey, it's not fair! Actually, Susan, it was practice before the real meeting with the queen.
Help me then so your rendezvous will be arranged faster.
Oh, rendezvous. Such a beautiful word. We'll be together for eternity. Arr!
Sammy, don't mess with my work.
Come on. I just wanted to use some vampire magic. Are you making Marceline's beautiful hair?
Yeah, but we still need to brush them.
Huh? Brush them? Sue, say no more! Okay. sort everything out. Guys, stay tuned. Let's go.
Sammy, check this out. Her hair is perfect.
Shiver me chatters. Susie, how much more time is it? Oh, my Tibidala. What is it? Where's Finn?
Oops, wait a second. Here he is.
Hurry, place him there.
Okay, and Sam, what about his legs?
What part of Finn did I have to look for? Phew, I've got one. Let's find another.
We won't wait for them to return and deal with this part of Finn.
Actually, Finn is very brave, and he's the only human in the land of Ooh. But in reality, okay, I won't share spoilers. Here you go.
Thanks. Yeah, we can do without them.
He also wears a hat with cat ears?
With bear ones. We're almost done with the legs, and then we'll deal with the hat too.
Great, I can't wait. Sue, he also wears shorts. Do you remember that?
I sure do.
Don't forget to make them.
Sammy, seems like we need a break. Come here.
Hey, Sue, what's happening?
Fight!
Wait, I'm at your service. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I won.
I wasn't prepared.
I always wanted to draw on someone's face.
Are you ready to move to the next step? Hey!
Oh, this is Finn's fishing rod. Just what we need. Let's attach it here.
Nicely done, Sue. Oh, how is he gonna hold it? Okay, Sue, freeze! Phew, here they are.
You've made his arms.
Exactly. How could I not? He needs his best friend around to not get bored. Someone like BMO!
I'm not sure who that is.
What do you mean, Susan?
Is BMO something like a smartphone?
Come on, Susie! He's all in one! Look! It's an amazing music player like this! Click! Hey, let's dance! Or a cool alarm! Ah! Okay, that's enough! Enough! Also, BMO is the best cook! He could cook for Marceline and Finn and even Jake! Ah! Shitter me chatters! Holy cannoli, Susan! We forgot about Jake!
No problem. We'll sculpt him next. Guys, stay tuned.
Come on, Jake! Let's go for adventures! Hurry up! Hey! Jake!
Sam,
Jake!
easy. Jake is an intelligent dog. He doesn't need a leash.
Ah, then he needs some rest. And I've dragged him through the room! We have to take care about him and make his ears and nose. Well, I can make ears.
Easy peasy. Let's make it all now.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Sam, what's up?
Oh, I'm almost done. So, we can start coloring now. Right, Sue?
Just one finishing touch. Guys, let's see what we've already made.
My time has come! Now I'll color everything myself.
First, give me the brush. And second, turn on the lights.
Okay. Susan, are you ready?
Yep.
Let's get it! Huh? Awesome!
Okay, let's get started.
Oh, Susie, did you move to the next step? Let's pick one more color.
Okay, I might have one in mind. This color suits Marceline the best.
Hey, Sue, I want to color Marceline too.
Sammy, we still have a bunch of characters.
Huh? A bunch? I have a better idea. So, and now what?
Sam, what's up?
What do you mean? Actually, I've colored up Mother Gum. Check it out.
Wow, really? Sam, it's amazing! Then I'll take yellow and color Jake.
Okay, Sue, are you ready to seek for adventures?
Wait, I'm almost done.
Cool! Hey guys, are you ready? Let's see what we've got here! finally was here. Sue, did you see her?
Sammy, what are you doing? Oh, Tibidabo, what's going on?
Actually, I've come to rescue Princess Bubblegum from boredom.
Got it. Hey, you on the island, why aren't you coming up? Here you go. It's time to say goodbye to our viewers.
So wait, I've got to do one thing. Psst, Marceline, do you want to go for a date? Huh?
Oh, Sammy.
What?
Guys, if you liked our craft, give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.